Hi friends, welcome to Tilottama Handloom.in. I am Chaitanya. Today I am going to show you our Begumpuri cotton collections. All these are pure handloom sarees. You can use this for your office wear, otherwise you can use your morning occasions also. So let's start. Begumpuri cotton with all over the saree has the temple borders on it. The temple borders are the applique work on it. And the big tree on the yak and the patli also, and in the pallu you get the big tree motif. This tree is designed with the applique work. It's saree number 1. Saree number 1. It has no blouse piece on it. All these are pure cotton, hand woven saree, and you get the handloom mark with all the sarees. Saree number 2. It's all over pink body and the orange border with the temple, small temple on it, both side orange border, and this one pallu. It's striped pallu, and all over the saree this pink color on it with the striped pallu. Saree number 2. All the sarees are without blouse pieces. This saree price is 1950. Saree number 3. It's grey colored body with the one side red border and one side yellow border on it, and the small temples on the both side border, and you get the weaving, small weaving all over the body. I will show you this close look. It's this weaving are generally famous for its Begumpuri cotton. It's only famous for its Begumpuri cotton. This type of weaving. It has all over the body same weaving on it. And this is the pallu. All the sarees are without blouse pieces. The saree price is 2450. If you like, just take a screenshot or WhatsApp us. Saree number 4. This is the same black color with a red border. It has a skirt border. Lower side border is a skirt border, and upper side border is small border on it. It's weaving border. The border design same. It is the skirt border lower part. This one pallu. This one pallu. This saree price is 2950. This saree price is 2950. Our next saree, the same design with the same pattern on it, only the color is different. It's white with the red combination. It's very famous Begumpuri cotton. It's border pallu. This one pallu, and you will get this handloom mark with all the Begumpuri cottons. It's 2950. It has the upper side low, small border on the upper side and the big skirt border in the lower side. This is the saree look. The saree price is 2950. Next Begumpuri cotton is in grey with a black border on it. With the same saree with the black upper side border is small border and lower side border is a skirt border. It's a skirt border in the lower side, and this one pallu. All these sarees are without blouse pieces. The saree price is 2950. Our next saree. This is a blue border, both side blue border, and all over the Begumpuri weaving on it. Orange pallu, and in pallu also have the same Begumpuri weaving on it. All these sarees are famous for its weaving. This weaving is called Begumpuri weaving. This is a dual tone of green with the yellow. The body color is the dual tone of green and yellow, and the border is the blue. This is how the saree look. This saree price is 2550. Our next saree is the pink body with the yellow and the green two border on the both side, two borders, yellow and green borders on the both side. It's plain border and the body is also plain. It's pink body, plain body. It has no blouse on it and this pallu is Begumpuri weaving on it. This is the pallu. This saree price is 1950. Our next saree, this is a lemon yellow border and the small temple on it, and body color is bluish grey. It's very beautiful color and body has the small buttas, flower buttas on it, and both side border is this lemon yellow border, this small temple on it, and this is the pallu. This is the pallu. This saree price is 2350. If you like to purchase, just take a screenshot or WhatsApp us. It's 7890721706. The link is given in the description box. Full look. Our next saree, its body color is pink. It's dark pink with a golden yellow border on it, and the body has the block print. It's peacock block all over the body. This is the saree look, and this one the pallu. All the sarees are without blouse pieces. This saree price is 2350, 2350. This is the saree look. This is another Begumpuri cotton. It has the orange border in upper side and lower border is in red. Lower border is red and upper side border is orange. This is pallu. This pallu has the all over Begumpuri weaving on it, and all over the body has the same Begumpuri weaving all over the body. This saree price is 2550. This saree price is 2550. Our next Begumpuri saree is the black border with the grey colored body on it. The grey is the brownish grey actually, and this is the pallu. Pallu design is in black, and all over the saree is plain with the black border on it. Very elegant color. The saree price is 1800, 1800. This is the full saree look. This is our last saree. It's a very soothing color. The body color is lemon yellow and the border is the light sea green color on it. You can check the color. It's a light sea green. Very uncommon color. I'm not giving you the proper color name. This is the pallu. Pallu weaving is Begumpuri weaving on it, and the pallu weaved with the blue thread. All the saree is plain body. It's very soft one. This is our last saree of this episode. This saree price is 2950. And the last saree which I am also wearing, it's black with the red border, and all over the saree has the same weaving on it. I will show you another piece. This is the pallu. I open it and show you. This one pallu. It has a pallu design on it, and all over the body has the same with the light yellow with the red combination buttas all over the body. As I am wearing, this is the same saree. This is the saree. Thank you so much for watching our video, and we will hope we will come soon with our next video. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for your regular notification, and please comment in the description box. And if you like these sarees which I will show today, just you take the screenshot of the sarees and WhatsApp us. The WhatsApp number is 7890721706. Otherwise, you can log on to our website. It's tilotamahandloom.in and browse it. Website, and shipping is free all over India. Hope you will like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Happy shopping with us.